Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me by RLG. It's an online UK Nigerian brand. I haven't used it before, but this is my first time, so I'll be showing you guys what their product is like, and if I like it, you might like it. So as you can see, I'm already prepped. So we're going to be starting off with the eyeshadow that I was sent. Well, I was sent two eyeshadows. One is this one here. I think this is a collaboration with Anita Brows. It's an eyeshadow I was given. So I was sent this one as well, this eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like. Super duper pretty. I'm going to be swatching this one here. I don't know what, ooh, wow. So apparently this one here really does have, oh, that's nice. It slides on really well, really good. And then I'm going to swatch this one as well. Here. This black one here. Oh, that's good too. This is really good. So I'm gonna swatch this silver, this gold one here, and this silver one here. Oh, okay. Wow, that's really pretty. And where do I do this? Okay. It's really pretty. I like the pigments in this one here and the gold one. It's really nice. I'm going to be swatching up this palette, this eyeshadow. As you can see, she has 6 shimmery eyeshadows here. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then the rest is all matte. So I'm going to be swatching up this very pretty color here, blue. Here you go. Oh, it's really hard to come on the skin. I don't think it's pigmented. The other eyeshadow that I swatched earlier is more pigmented than this one. It's really hard to come on my skin, but I think with the primer you really need to keep packing and packing up on your eye. But so far so good. It's really hard. It's really soft. It's not so pigmented. This is actually the matte one that I'm trying on. Let's see if we can like try the shimmery ones and see how pigmented that one is. Actually, it does look pigmented here, but let's see. Let's try on the skin. I'm pressing so much so I can like take a lot of products on and onto my skin. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, right. So this is actually way better. So I think the shimmery parts are more pigmented than the matte ones. Her matte eyeshadows are a bit difficult to, apply on the skin, except, with the primer. But then again, the shimmery ones on this palette is really pigmented. We're gonna try another one and see if it's just that particular blue one that has an issue. I'm gonna swatch this red color here. It is actually matte, but let's see if it's the same as this blue one. I guess maybe because of the color. So I'm like taking as much, like I'm pressing here, and okay, wow. So I guess it's just the blue one. I think it's just the blue one because this is actually very pigmented. Wow. But it has this powdery feel to it. But we're going to try it on my eyes and see if it falls out. But as it is here, it is very pigmented. So I think it's just that blue that really didn't come out as much. But this is very pretty. So I'm going to be trying out this very deep blue here. So I'll see how good this is. This is how it shows up, and this is what it looks like on my skin. It really does come out really well. So I guess it's just that shade, this blue here. I guess this is what it just looks like. But the rest of the colors are so pretty. They actually slide on really well, and they actually are so pretty. I can't swatch everything, but they actually do look really, really pretty. I might actually have a primer on. I'm going to put a primer on my eye and try some of the colors. The matte ones are actually very powdery. They might fall out, I think, but we'll see. So I'm not going to conclude really until I apply it on my eyes. So yeah, tried out horizon. I'm going to be trying out grill. I am going to also swatch this sunset here. This would be good for my skin tone. I'm going to be swatching this. Uprising. I actually take as much product as I want on here on my, and I would swatch right here. Okay, these are the shades that I love. I'm not particularly fascinated by this horizon, but the rest I do like. In other words, I would say packaging is 100. The colors are pretty. The eyeshadow colors are pretty, especially the pink one. It's my favorite palette. I think it will be my everyday palette, you know, for fun colors. Because usually I don't play with colors, but I think with this palette I will be so excited to play with colors. But let's see. I am going to be using the Nubian brush, blending brush. I'm going to use that to transition. So I'm going to be using this shade right here as my transition shade. I'm going to be using this shade right here to intensify my transition color. And then I'm going in with the clean brush to even out the harsh lines as well. I'm going to be using this flat brush right here to apply my color. I'm going to go in with this green color, my favorite on my palette. So I am packing on the eyeshadow on my lid. Just going in with this beautiful shade. So I didn't need to, you know, have an extra primer on my lid. It's actually the same way my eyes were from the beginning, because I already had foundation and powder on to set my lid before I applied my eyeshadow. So I'm only just applying. Well, there's not much fallout on my face from this color. It is so smooth. So I'm just packing and piling more eyeshadow color on it, just to intensify it a little bit more. For my under eye, I'm going to be using this color right here, this red color. For my waterline, I am going to be using the Zaran pencil. It's a green shade. Now I'm done with the eyeshadow, and I really, really love my eyeshadow look. It is so pretty. I must confess, this palette is the bomb. It is beautiful, and it does have some fallouts, which is not so bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, and I didn't have to, you know, prime my eyes as much as I thought as well, because I already had foundation over my eyelid and I had already set it off with a powder. So I just had to put my eyeshadow over it, and it came out looking like this. This is all I have, eyeshadow, nothing else, and it is so pretty. And this is a must-have. This is so gorgeous. I thought it was going to be so bad, you know, after swatching with, you know, especially, you know, the matte colors, because I had to use my finger and I had to like press in so much. But then again, you know, it ended up looking so good, and I am so proud. To contour my face, I'm going to go in with the MAC Mineralized Powder, and I'm going to contour my face, but I'm just trying to intensify it. So I'm going to go in like this. I'm going to be using my Ultra Flawless Compact Powder, Chanel powder in Beige 20, just to go over under my eyes, just to dust out any fallouts that I must have gotten from my eyeshadow. And voila, that's it. I'm going to be using Sunset to highlight my face. I'm using this brush, Iglot brush, to highlight my face. I'm going to start off. Oh, okay. Not so bad at all. Wow. Wow, this is so pretty. Yes, highlight. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And it slides on really, really well. Wow, I am so impressed. I never thought it would come out like this. I was so sad when I swatched it at the back of my hand, and I thought it wasn't so gorgeous. And I was like, you know what, let me try and see if it works, you know, just because I want to use a highlighter and all that. But to be very honest with you, it is so beautiful. Before I go in with my lipstick or lip gloss, I'm going to use this NYX blush. I forgot to blush my face, so I'm going to use this NYX blush to bring some color to my face. That's done. We're going to go on with swatching the lip glosses and the liquid lipsticks. They have this moisturizing lip oil. I didn't want to use it at first from the beginning because, you know, I wanted to like do this with you guys. This would have been the first thing I would have applied on my lip first. But I'm going to do this before we go in with the liquid lipsticks and the lip gloss. I am going to swatch Cosmic lip gloss. I'm not sure you can see it, but it has some shimmery stuff in it. It smells good too. We're going to swatch. This has a pink shimmery color to it, and then this one has a gold tone and color to it as well. I'm going to swatch this color. This one is called Crystal. I do like the middle one. I like this one here, and I believe this is called Earth Crush. This is my favorite. I like Earth Crush. I can wear that like every day, and then I can wear a lip gloss over it. And my second favorite is Tonia. This is Tonia here, the first one. So I like the first and the middle one, Earth Crush and Tonia. Well, I might try this one, that is Christina Gold and Sophia. They're all very pretty colors. For this look, I will use Tonia. Tonia for the win. The last thing to do is spray my face. So I'm setting my face with Milani Make It Last setting spray. And voila, it's all done. So this is the final look, guys, and I am loving the way I look. So the eyeshadow, to the highlight, to the liquid lipstick, to every single thing, I am loving it. For a Nigerian brand, this is really impressive. I would recommend this to anyone who would want to invest, you know, in made in Nigeria. Well, this is not made in Nigeria actually, but it is a Nigerian brand owned by a Nigerian person, but then it is made in the UK. But then again, I recommend it to anyone who would want to buy or want to use a Nigerian brand. This is highly recommended. So guys, if you're trying to get an information on how to purchase this product, I'm going to leave the information down below in the description box. And also, there is a discount code, which is Anita10. If you're trying to purchase the products that I used, you're going to have a huge discount. I'm super impressed. This is amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.